How to fix Instagram not showing active now. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can fix the active now not showing up on Instagram. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you want to do is simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Instagram, and go ahead and simply either download or update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've updated Instagram, what you want to do is you want to simply go over and then open it. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. And what you have to do is to simply go to your profile page. If you're not be able to see a list of active friends, you have to simply turn on active status. So on the top right corner, simply actually tap on the three horizontal lines icon. As you tap on the three horizontal lines, you want to go ahead and then simply select settings. Once you go to settings, what you want to do is you'll find a section which says privacy. Tap on privacy, and as soon as you tap on privacy, scroll down and you'll find another option which is activity status. Go ahead and then tap on activity status. Once you've done that, what you only want to do is to tap on the button which says show activity status. So turn on this toggle right over here. As soon as you turn on the toggle show activity status, you'll be able to see a list of various options. Now you can come back, and if you go ahead and then go to your DMs page, for example, you'll be able to see a list of all of the active friends as well on the top of the screen if there are any type of active friends available, as you can see right over here. And this is how you can actually fix if you're not being able to see active now on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.